Wagwan, what's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, and today we're making a nice, simple video. One of my all-time favorite. You saw in the title. Yes, we're making pizza dough.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
This pizza dough that I'm about to present to you, it's my go-to pizza dough and it never fails me yet. Quick and easy. So if that's something that you're interested in, let's get right into this video. Right here I have 2/3 cup of lukewarm water. You need to have lukewarm water. That's going to activate your yeast to speed up the time in which you have your dough prepared. Right here I like to use this. It's optional, but we're using some fine-grained cornmeal. Whenever time we do takeout pizza, we get pizza and it always have a little cornmeal on the crust. I think it just adds value and a little extra crunch. You see me? So we're going to use a little bit of cornmeal, and this here, it's 2 tablespoons. Right here I have 1 tablespoon of yeast, and that's the instant dry yeast that we're going to be using. Over here we have 1.5 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Right here now the master of the show, because you can't make dough without flour, and we have here 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and that's it for the dough. Simple and easy. And of course we're going to put a little bit of olive oil in there. So all the ingredients are already measured out. First thing you want to do, push this to the side. We're going to grab our cup or our jar that has in our liquid, which is lukewarm, and we're going to add that yeast directly to that. And just want to give this a quick little mix. And we're going to add our sugar in. When you add the sugar in the yeast, it gives it something to feed off, and that way the yeast proof way quicker, right? So we'll just give that a quick little mix, and then we're going to set this to the side. Alright, now for the dry ingredients: flour, salt in, cornmeal. Just going to give that a mix. Incorporate all of those dry ingredients. The yeast is ready, and you can tell if your yeast is ready by right here. If you look, you realize that it's foamy, about 1/2 inch foam, right? And when it foams, that tells you that okay, this is ready. I'm going to lift up some of this foam to show you what I'm talking about. And look at that. So that foam that's on there, beautiful. That's when you know it's ready. And we're just going to mix this in. Mix that up, get that in, and this will proof your dough nicely. Just mix that up real quick. I'm going to go into that now with about 2 tablespoons, almost finished, just enough of olive oil. So we have that in there now. What this does, this helps us to get it nice and smooth. Clean surface, get a little bit of oil on my surface. Put my dough on here. Bring out that dry flour. So we're just going to knead this dough now. Bring it in. So what you want to do, use one hand, hold your dough down. Use the other hand with the palm, push away, bring it back in. So what we're doing, we're stretching the gluten strands, and this is going to help our dough to formulate nice. Alright? So you stretch out those gluten strands. About 3 minutes of kneading and you have the perfect dough. You can always do this in your hand mixer. Clean up the board. No excess, no excess. A little bit more olive oil on here. Boom, boom, boom. Nothing too much. Rub that up. Just gonna tuck the sides under, like so. Tuck it under, tuck it under. Roll that in the palm. Dough is kind of big. And what's going to happen now, get that same use bowl that we have, get a little bit of olive oil, nothing much, and then now just going to rub that in. Looks like a woman's bonnet, but in the Caribbean we call it steam cap. You put it over your head after you do your hair, or you do this when you're going into the shower, whatever. But this is not one of those. This is actually one of those you call it bowl cup. This is a bowl covering, right? Just gonna cover that dough up nicely. So you can put a dish towel over this for your security, just so you know, so there's absolutely no air getting in. But for me, I know this is fine, and we're gonna proof this up for a minimum of 1 hour. And there you have it. how to make your pizza dough. As I said, this is my go-to pizza dough, never failed me yet. Quick and easy to whip up. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and look out for the many videos that are coming your way that include this very same pizza dough recipe. Speaking of which, we have a cheese pizza that was made on a stone. You see me? So if that's something you're interested in, make sure when you subscribe, you hit that little bell, all notifications, so as soon as I upload that video, you will be one of the first to see. So once again, thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on no. This boy always I finish me outro them, but big up yourself. You see? Nice and easy.